Okay, this might just be the smartest drone that I've ever flown. The new DJI Mavic 4 Pro has basically leveled it up. The ActiveTrack and obstacle avoidance on this is absolutely superb, and I'm going to be putting it to the test in today's video. Hi everyone, hope you're all tickety-boo. We're talking cinema level tracking on the new DJI Mavic 4 Pro. At the end of the day, it really does stick to your subject. It will follow your car, boat, bike, or you, even if you go behind trees and buildings and things like that. I do these type of videos to save you having to risk and crashing your drone, a bit like I did with the last one for the Air 3S. And if you fancy finding out what happened to that one, there's going to be a link to the video at the end of this one. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the old like button because it doesn't half make a difference. But it's no good sitting here in the studio, is it? You can't witness it in here. So let's get out to the forest.
We've come up to the usual spot where I test the drone through these woods, and every single DJI drone I've tested has managed to do it. So hopefully the Mavic 4 Pro isn't going to have any problems here. But if you're interested in the other drones, see how well they did, see whether you wanted to buy one of those instead of this one, there'll be links up here, okay? Let's get on with the testing. There goes nothing. All I'm going to do is try and trust it to follow me around these trees. Let's give it a good old go. It's doing all right at the moment.
I'm literally walking and tripping through this forest, and the drone itself just glides around every branch and, more importantly, the twigs.
As you can see up there, there's a load of twigs and everything else which could catch it out, which it has done on other drones in the past.
It doesn't just avoid obstacles, it plans ahead.
Doing okay. See what happens here then when we go up through this bit. Not bad. Round the horse shit. Definitely doing really, really well. Pretty impressed, to be honest with you.
And dodges them smoothly. Even when I tried to trick it, it just kept tracking.
Try it here, over there. Backed up, it's decided to follow me as well. And that is pretty damn good. Now, we're going to give it another test now of it rotating around me as a point of interest, see if it'll miss the trees there as well. This test is going to be pretty full on because there's loads of branches hanging around, bushes, all different contrasts, sunlight and shadows. So let's see how it gets on with this bit. Can't believe how that did that. It weaved in and out between the trees and it just kept that rotation going all by itself. Now that is pretty fantastic. So we're also going to be testing to see whether the upward sensors work. Okay, we'll go up through these trees up here, which should give it a good old test. And we're also going to try and land it through the trees to see what happens.
It's a bit like a flying ninja, isn't it? What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Next, I'm going to test it in all the modes to see how well it does, and spoiler alert, it works. If you've got any tests you want me to do or try out, then let me know in the comments down below. And we will be having some more videos on this little beast coming soon, including some ND filter tests, so make sure you stay tuned and hit that or subscribe if you haven't done already, as those filters have just arrived. Let's get down to the beach and test it out on the Super 73.
We've come down here early in the morning to give it a good old test, and look at the view.
I'm just the crazy ex-girlfriend, reason that I had it and nothing else that you could have done. I'm a redneck, red flag, burning all your free cash, scratches on the side of your truck. I'm the mask you want to, no one will believe you, we will know that it ain't right. Oh, whatever helps you sleep at night. The real joke, baby, we both know it. The cracks in his story, they'll start showing. Everybody knows you're never gonna see the light. So do what you wanna do, say what you wanna say. You sleep at night. A friend of a friend, send her on to the next tree, bounding for your even left. Got that bath and body perfume, cigarettes and tattoos. Guess we'll take what you can get. She cheated on her ex, and I'm guessing you're next. It's looking like a two of a kind. Call her what you need to, till she up and leaves you. Whatever helps you sleep at night. The real truth, baby. What you're saying, your colors are showing. Listen, darling, I'm not trying to fight. So do what you wanna do, say what you wanna say. Whatever helps you sleep, whatever helps you sleep. The real truth, baby, we both know it. The cracks in your story, they'll start showing.
There you go, what do you think? I love it. You can focus on the subject and just let the drone do the rest of the work for you. It's like having a full camera crew in the sky. Awesome for us solo creators, isn't it? And superb for action filmmakers or anyone who just loves flying a drone. You're not going to be disappointed with this one. It's a massive, massive upgrade. I don't care what anybody else says. Let me know in the comments what you would get this drone following. Stay safe out there, everyone. Have fun making stuff. And above all, keep smiling. See ya.